MyVW is your personalized go-to resource connecting you to all things Volkswagen. Stay informed, access vehicle health and recall information, watch educational videos to learn about key features and functions, and have some peace of mind knowing you can see whether you forgot to close the windows or lock the doors right from within your mobile app. Let's explore MyVW together. Manage your vehicle right from your smartphone with the remote service features in the MyVW mobile app. You can do things like lock and unlock your vehicle, start the engine remotely if equipped, even honk the horn and flash the lights to help you spot your vehicle in a crowded parking lot, and warm or cool the interior cabin so you can be ready for the drive ahead. Check in to see your remaining fuel level, door and window status through notification settings, and conveniently monitor your driving habits with trip stats. MyVW shows detailed information about your journeys, including distance traveled, average speed, and fuel. You can also customize your alerts. Guardian Services allows you to set boundary alerts, curfew alerts, and speed alerts. Boundary alerts will notify you when your vehicle crosses a predefined area. Curfew alerts will notify you when your vehicle is driven outside of the preset time period. Speed alerts will let you know if your vehicle exceeds a set speed limit. With valet mode enabled, MyVW will give you peace of mind that your vehicle is not being driven beyond the dealership when your vehicle is brought in for service. And for models powered by an electric battery, MyVW users can remotely start or stop charge sessions, manage scheduled charge sessions, and double-check your battery's state of charge. MyVW makes it easy to manage your charging sessions. Adjust your target state of charge to best fit your driving needs. If you have battery care mode enabled, your battery's target state of charge will be automatically set to 80%, helping you maximize battery protection and optimize charging time. To achieve a more efficient charge using the maximum amperage that's safely allowed for your EV, you can select Max Charge Current in the Battery Settings menu. Or if you ever need to limit the electrical load on your local power supply during charging, you can choose Reduce Charge Current, limiting the current to 10 amps. Using an AC charging cable, set your vehicle to automatically unlock your charging cable once the charging cycle is complete. Then, all you have to do is unplug when it's done. In situations where your 12-volt battery is too low for MyVW and your ID4 to communicate, you can help make sure MyVW app commands can still happen by enabling energy management. This setting will use energy from the high-voltage battery to help support the remote requests. Note, high-voltage battery usage for remote and other operations will impact the vehicle's driving range. Being informed is an important part of ownership and why we've made it even easier for you to stay on top of your Volkswagen's health and maintenance. In the mobile app, you'll receive service reminders and notifications and gain access to health reports, which lets you know how your Volkswagen systems are doing and alerting you to any concerns. Any recall campaigns or over-the-air updates that apply to your vehicle will show up here as well. And scheduling a service appointment with your preferred VW dealer is only a tap away. If you need more service information, easily access your vehicle's maintenance and warranty booklets right from the MyVW app. MyVW can also connect you with 24/7 roadside assistance in case there's an emergency. Never forget where you parked your car. Using the mobile app, you'll be able to pull up your Volkswagen's last parked location. To help you find a nearby parking spot, you can use the parking spot locator feature powered by Parkopedia. Use MyVW to find nearby fuel or charging stations, plan a trip across the country, and when you're ready, send the route to your vehicle's navigation system. Safe and secure emergency services are included with your vehicle at no additional cost. Drive with confidence knowing that when things don't go as planned, we've got your back. As part of Safe and Secure, you'll receive emergency assistance if you or a passenger needs help. Just press the SOS button in your vehicle and connect to a call center agent who can assist you by sending an emergency specialist to your vehicle's location. If your airbags go off, you'll be contacted automatically by a Volkswagen customer care specialist to see if you need help. Receive alerts on your smartphone through the MyVW app when an intrusion detection alert is activated while you're away from your vehicle. With the exception of EVs, if your vehicle is ever stolen, upon your authorization, a Volkswagen customer care specialist will work with the authorities to access your vehicle's location remotely. The Volkswagen customer care team is available to Volkswagen owners in the event you have questions, simply by pressing the I button in the vehicle. Customize your MyVW experience by setting up personalized notifications. Receive alerts for specific events and stay informed about your vehicle's status. MyVW, giving you the confidence and peace of mind to help make your travels, near or far, more seamlessly connected.